Good day everyone. Want to get paid but your customer doesn't have a PayPal account? No problem. PayPal is a full-service credit card processor. Today I'm showing you the ways to accept Visa, MasterCard and Amex directly into your PayPal balance. So if you have a website, you can use PayPal checkouts. So in your settings, toggle on PayPal account optional. This enables guest checkouts, allowing customers to enter their card details directly on your site. Also, you can use advanced card processing. It keeps the customer on your page, no redirect, and gives you a lower transaction rate. It looks professional and keeps your conversion rate high. Also, if you don't have a site, no worries. You can just open the app and then you can go ahead and choose the Send Invoice. So you go to the Send tab. On the phone it's the same, and as you can see, it's not available for me, but you will get this feature. So send an invoice right over here. This is the button. So you just send this via text or email. When the customer clicks it, they can choose pay with debit or credit card. And also, if you're meeting in person, your customer can just tap their physical card against your smartphone. No extra hardware required. Your phone has the card reader. You get paid instantly and the customer stays protected. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.